In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new signature in DocuSign. First, open DocuSign and sign into your account. From the top right corner, click your profile icon and choose Manage Profile. This takes you to your account settings, where you control the details that appear on your documents. In the menu, select Signatures. Here you'll see any signatures you've already saved and the option to create a new one. Click Add Signature to begin. You'll be prompted to enter your full name and your initials. Type them exactly as you want them to appear on documents, including punctuation and capitalization. Consistency matters, especially for documents that need to match your legal name. Next, choose how you want to create your signature. If you want a quick and professional look, you can select a pre-formatted style from the available options, often called Adopt. Pick one that's clean and easy to read. If you prefer something more personal, click Draw and Sign using your mouse, trackpad, stylus, or finger. Take your time. If it doesn't look right, clear it and try again until you're happy with the result. If you already have a picture of your handwritten signature, click Upload. Then click Choose to select the image file from your computer. DocuSign supports PNG, JPG, or GIF files, and the image should be under 200 KB. A clear, high-contrast image with a transparent or white background works best. After you pick the file, confirm the highlighted preview so you can see exactly what will be saved. If the edges look rough, try a crisper photo or scan and re-upload before proceeding. When the signature looks the way you want, click Create to save it. DocuSign will store this as your default signature for future documents, and you can use it with a single click when you're asked to sign. If you already had a signature on your account and you're updating it with a new one, you'll see the option to Replace. Click Replace to swap the old signature with the new version you just created. This helps keep everything consistent going forward. That's it. You've navigated to your profile, opened the Signatures page, added a new signature, chosen whether to adopt, draw, or upload, confirmed the preview, clicked Create to save, and used Replace if you needed to update an existing signature. Now you're ready to sign documents quickly and confidently in DocuSign.